Hi, welcome back again, and I'm sure you are enjoying all the videos and learning hypnosis. By this time you might have already learned many techniques, already hypnotized many people, and you enjoy with the imagination game. And now in this video you are going to learn how to use a unique method of eyes opening and closing with the counting numbers. It's a very powerful technique which you're going to learn. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India, certified trainer and a hypnotherapist. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and click onto the notification button, so that bell button, so that you get notified every time I put a new video. Please like it and share it with your friends also. So in this video, watch me doing it and then practice. It's a very old method, but a very nice method to use it. So you can watch me doing it and then I explain to you. So watch me doing on Sanjana right now. Thank you. Hi, welcome back, and I'm sure you're already enjoying my previous videos on hypnotic immersion games and then hypnotic inductions. If you have not watched the previous videos, it's very important, and you go and watch the previous videos so you know what we are doing and how you are learning. Now in this method, it is a different way of doing inductions using eyes opening and closing method. Now in this method, I'll ask her to open and close her eyes number of times, and when she feels that she cannot keep it open, she will close her eyes and go into deep hypnosis, and then we can deepen it by relaxing the body or counting from 10 to 0. So watch me doing it and then find somebody and do it. So are you ready, Sanjana ji?
Yes.
So now keep looking straight and I'll count 1 and 2. With each count you have to open and close your eyes. And with each count, you will find that you are finding it difficult for you to keep your eyes open. And when you feel that you cannot keep your eyes open, just close your eyes and enter into deep state of relaxation. So ready? 1, close your eyes and open your eyes. 2, close your eyes and open your eyes. 3, 4, 5. You find that you're finding it difficult to open and close now. 6, 7, that's right, 8, yes, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. When you feel that you cannot keep your eyes open, keep eyes closed and go into deep state of relaxation. 15. That's right. Very deeply and comfortably relax. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper, deeper and deeper. Now, I'm talking to the people watching the video. So now, sometime by the time you reach 6 or 7, 8 or 10 or 15, the person keep the eyes closed. Now that is the time person is there. From there you can move on to progressive relaxation to relax them or deepen it. This time I will deepen the relaxation by counting from 10 to 0. Now with each and every descending number, double your relaxation. 10, going deeper and deeper, getting more and more relaxed. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very deeply and comfortably relaxed. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. Now once the person is in deep state of relaxation, you can give them a positive suggestions or do therapy, whatever you want to do. And once it is done, bring the person out by counting from 1 to 3. 1, feel energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2, become aware of your surroundings. And 3, open your eyes and notice how good you feel. So I want you to share the experience what you happened. When you're opening and closing your eyes, how you're feeling?
When I started closing and opening continuously, I started feeling heaviness. I started feeling like when I was closing, I felt I should continue closing my eyes. That is, go to sleep.
But that means you felt like keep your eyes closed.
Yeah, I was feeling like I'll fall asleep now.
Okay. And then when you close your eyes, finally when you stop opening and closing, how you felt?
I felt getting into deep sleep.
Deep sleep.
Relaxation.
Deep relaxation.
Yeah.
If you were sleeping, at the count of 3, you would not open your eyes. You will be having snoring, right? Or maybe dreaming. Yeah? So that is an important indication. Sometime when you do hypnosis on somebody, and somebody think when they come out that they were sleeping, but they open their eyes with the count of 3, they were not sleeping, they are in a deep state of hypnosis. Remember, very, very important. Person cannot go into hypnosis on sleep both. Either they go into hypnosis or they will go to sleep. So when you're doing this exercise, it's a wonderful way to tire the eyes and do it. Now these are the older methods which work very well. So why I want you to learn all these methods and practice them. So I'm sure you like this method. If you like it, do it on yourself first and then find somebody and do it on them and notice how effective it is. Hi, welcome again. You enjoyed this video. You know how I did it. See the reaction of Sanjana when I was doing on her. So my friend, it's a very simple method. There are a lot of variation in the methods. You don't need all these methods, but you need to, if you want to become a the hypnotist, you need to learn as many methods as possible. Then pick up the few which you like it and do it. Plus, you can, after some time, you can modify them and you make your own induction method. So this method is very powerful. And in the next lesson also, we are going to teach you one other method of the same but little variation. So my friend, watch this method again, practice on somebody, and then my friend, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now, click on the bell button, and my friend, bell button to get notified for the new videos which is going to come very soon. And another important thing, my friend, if you want to learn, attend the live training programs, we conduct the workshop in Hyderabad mostly. So click on the link below, and if the workshop is happening, you're really interested, call us and register and come to the workshop. I'm looking forward to meeting you personally soon to have a lot of fun in the workshop. Thank you very much.